What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel, I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode. Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions. This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. You're not doing, not paying for the driver right now. You're probably not calculating the real cost of, you probably got your gas in there, but insurance and all that other jazz that would go into having vehicles, which I don't recommend. When we get to drivers, I like to 1099 people. You drive your own car, you worry about your own insurance, your own gas. I've just seen all of our competitors who get a fleet of vehicles, and it's cool for branding, but I like to deliver in the dead of night because there's no traffic. I can get more deliveries done in a faster time period. I don't have drivers knocking on a door waiting for someone to answer, people staying up late because the driver's late, whatever else, or they're talking to the driver about customer service issues and the driver's like, dude, I show up once a week, twice a week for this company. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, you're going to tell me about the broccoli and it's not going to get back to anybody. So deliver in the dead of night. They drive their own vehicles, 1099 them, makes it a lot easier. We deliver twice a week. If I went back in time, I would stick to once a week as long as possible. The reason is the delivery is the last yard, and all of the work that you put into getting up into the end zone and getting that client, paying for marketing and the bags and all the food and cooking and all that jazz, it could be lost by basically a mercenary who's 1 week at a time, this company, that company. They're not full-time with you. They don't care. When you have a delivery driver, when it's put in that person's hand in the middle of the night at 3 a.m., they mess up, you lose that opportunity. If you're delivering twice a week, that doubles the amount of times that can happen. If you're doing once a week, it's a lot easier. So if I went back in time, I would have stayed at one delivery week as long as possible. I like mom and pop gyms. I like especially class-based gyms, because then the trainers have a relationship. They're not just scanning someone's key card. They have a relationship with people. So when they're like, I'm on this food, it's awesome. They're also offering pickup here. And then we've done a couple of different things. One is like, okay, it's $15 if we deliver to your house. It's $5 if we deliver to the gym. There's other things you got to worry about with cold storage and the timing and all that stuff. But that's one option that you have before you have your own pickup location. Now we've got, and we cooked out of other people's kitchens before. So in the beginning, we didn't have somewhere for people to come get the food. And we did that and kind of little hybrid systems like that. But then once you have your own location where you can have people come and pick up, it obviously makes things a bit better. Be comfortable with charging for delivery because you're selling convenience. It looks like food, but you're selling the food coming to them is there's food at Whole Foods. The reason they're not getting the food at Whole Foods is because it's at Whole Foods. It's not coming to them. It's not at a convenient place. So be comfortable with charging for what you're good at and what you're doing and the service that you're really providing for them. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.